In this video, we'll walk you through setting up a Facebook lead form so that you can receive new customers directly in Planfix. First, go to your Facebook business page and click Advertise. Then, select Create New Ad. In the Goal field, click Change and choose Get More Leads. Now, save your settings. In the Ad Creative section, you'll follow these 4 steps. First, enter the ad text, then choose a media file. Now set the headline and choose the button label. This is where you create a form to collect customer information. To do this, enter the form name and description. In the Contact Info section, select the fields you need. Now you can add any additional short questions, choose the form language, and add your privacy policy. When you're done, save the form. If needed, enable Advantage plus Creative and Special Ad category. In the Audience section, choose your reach method from the following options: automatic selection, an audience from your targeting settings, or a custom option. Then set the ad schedule. Here you can configure placements and choose a payment method. Now go to Planfix. Open Account Management, then Integrations, then Social Media, and select Facebook. Click Add Page and grant access to all current and future pages. When you're done, save the settings. Then open the integration settings for the page you need. Select the object used to create tasks from direct messages and the object used to create tasks in all other cases. For example, it might look like this. Notice that the object includes fields that match the questions in your lead form. Next, select the contact template to create contacts from leads. In our example, we're using the default template. Now add any additional assignees and save the settings. The next step is to sync the lead form fields with the task and contact fields. To do this correctly, use a test lead. You can find detailed steps for how to accomplish this in the Facebook Help section. The link is in the description. On the testing page, select your ad account in the required lead form, create a lead, and then return to Planfix. A new request should appear here alongside the form fields. Use those field names to map them to the fields in your Planfix integration, for both tasks and contacts. And that's it. Now, every user who submits the form will become a new contact in Planfix, and the system will automatically pull their data from the lead form. Planfix will also create tasks simultaneously, so your team can work with the customer. Congratulations! You now have leads flowing directly from Facebook into Planfix. Now you can automate your workflow and access new customers.